Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club. And this is pack opening 697. We got one pack of NFL Pro Set from 1990. Let's rip. Bert Grossman. Kelvin Martin. Ted Hendricks. Leonard Smith. Here's a Rufus Porter Pro Bowl. I don't even remember that guy. Do you? John Alt. Al Toon. I definitely remember Al Toon. Great Al Toon. Mike Dial. Wow, Vinny Testaverde, and look at those awesome Tampa Bay uniforms. Eric McMillan, Chris Dolan, Jay Hilgenberg. And then this one actually might be unique. Super Bowl from Tampa Stadium. That's awesome. All right, that's the rip. Nothing worth valuable, nothing to flip, but sentimental value is pretty good because brings me back to good memories. You guys take care. God bless.